Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to replace battery in 2022 Buick Envision. Replacing the battery in a 2022 Envision is fairly straightforward, but since it uses a heavy AGM battery, you'll want to work carefully. Start by opening the hood and locating the battery on the driver's side of the engine bay under its protective cover. Remove the cover by lifting it up or releasing any clips holding it in place. Next, disconnect the negative terminal first using a wrench or socket and move the cable away from the battery to prevent accidental contact. Then disconnect the positive terminal. After that, remove the battery hold down bracket at the base of the battery, since the battery won't come out until this bracket is removed. Carefully lift the old battery straight up, keeping it upright to avoid damage. The 2022 Buick Envision commonly uses a Group 9 4R AGM battery rated at around 850 cold cranking amps, so make sure that the replacement matches the original specifications. Place a new battery into the tray and the same orientation, reinstall the hold down bracket, and reconnect the terminals in the reverse order, positive first and negative last. Finally, reinstall the battery cover and make sure all connections are tight before starting the vehicle. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.